Hey guys, welcome to section 3. In this section we're going to be solving multi-step equations. So multi-step equations are a little bit more complicated because they take some work to simplify both sides of the equal sign before we can start isolating for x. So what I want to do is look at my right side of the equation and my left side of the equation and make sure that they're as simplified as possible before I start moving anything to the other side of the equal sign. So if we look at this side, the negative 6x and the minus 20 are unlike terms. They can't be combined any further, so this side is simplified. If we look on this side, however, I have this 4 outside of a parentheses. So I'm going to go ahead and the first thing I'm going to do is distribute that 4. So I'm going to bring everything else down. And multiply 4 times 1, which is 4, and then 4 times negative 3x, which is negative 12x. Now I want to combine any like terms I have on this side of the equal sign. So this side stays the same. And then notice that both of these have an x, so I'm going to combine them. Negative 2x minus 12x is going to give us a negative 14x. We bring down the plus 4. Now that both sides cannot be simplified any further, I can start moving things from one side of the equal sign to the other. So it kind of turns in to what we had on section 2, which is the problem with variables on both sides. So I want to take this big negative 14x and I'm going to add it to both sides to get rid of some of these negatives. So that's going to cancel out and I'm left with 4 on this side. Over here, negative 6x plus 14x is actually going to give me a positive 8x. Bring down the minus 20. So from this step, what I want to do is get this x by itself. So I'm going to take the negative 20 and I'm going to add 20 to both sides. So these cancel and I'm left with 8x equals 4 plus 20 is 24. And then since I have 8 times x, to get x by itself, I'm going to divide both sides by 8. And I'm left with 8 equals 24 divided by 8 gives me a 3. And that's my answer. If you want to check your work, you can take this 3 and plug it in everywhere you had an x originally. Simplify each side to check your work.